Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 315. For this box, we're just missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 covering here and here, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so 1, 3. No help here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, and 4 here. So this is our 2. That 2 makes this our 5, 2. We can get rid of this 2 and this 2. And now if we look at this box, the only place the 4 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this top row, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 1, 6, 9. 6 here, so 1, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 3, 5. 3 and 5 here, so 1, 2. 1, 2, and 5 covering here. So this is our 3. That 2 and 5 means this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 2, 5. That 1 and 3 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. For this box now, we're just missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 covering here and a 5 covering here, so our 5 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 9. 6 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 6, 3, 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 4, 3, 8. And that 3 makes this our 4. For this box now we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. And for this box we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here. Oh, did we make a mistake? No, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.